Welcome. Today I am with Samsung Galaxy Buds 2, an Android smartphone, and I will show you how you can make software update of this earbuds. So at the first we have to be connected with Galaxy Wearable application. If you don't know how to make it, you can check our video on our YouTube channel. But when you are connected, you have to simply open that application, open case of your Galaxy Buds 2. When you are connected, we can finally go for our earbuds settings. Oh, as you can see, even we got the notification, but let's click later and go for the earbud settings. And in this place you can find earbuds software update. So when you don't have this pop-up notification for software update, you can go here manually. Now just wait a little bit. And here we got the description of the update. There's the version of the update, size. And if you want to update, just click here. Now just wait a little bit. Okay, as you can see, we have to keep the case open, and our earbuds will disconnect from our phone when the update starts. And we have to keep the case open until the update is complete and the earbuds reconnect to our phone. And as you can see, right now it happened. So when you click OK, we are finally back. And right now when you go one more time for that earbud software update, we will get notification that we are up to date. As you can see, our software is up to date. So that's how we can make software update of Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.